Conjunctions are words that connect other words, phrases, and clauses together in sentences. They help make our ideas flow smoothly from one to another. Today, we learn what conjunctions are and the three main types. A conjunction connects words, phrases, or clauses to make sentences clearer. For example, the word "and" connects tea and coffee in the sentence "I like tea and coffee." Conjunctions join equal ideas or show relationships between ideas. Conjunctions connect different ideas into smooth sentences. They show how ideas relate to each other, like addition, contrast, or choice. Without conjunctions, sentences become choppy and hard to understand. There are three main types of conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions connect equal parts like words or clauses. Subordinating conjunctions join main clauses with dependent clauses. Correlative conjunctions work in pairs to connect balanced ideas. Coordinating conjunctions are called FANBOYS, for and nor but or yet so, for shows reason, and shows addition, nor shows negative choice, but shows contrast, or shows choice. Yet shows contrast, so shows result. And adds ideas together, "I like tea and coffee." But shows contrast, "I wanted to go but it rained." Or gives choices, "Do you want tea or coffee?" So shows results, "It rained so we stayed home." Subordinating conjunctions join a main clause with a dependent clause. They show time, reason, or condition, because shows reason, if shows condition, when shows time, although shows contrast between clauses. Because gives reason, "She stayed home because she was sick." If shows condition, "I will help if you need me." When shows time, "We eat when we are hungry." Although shows contrast, "He smiled although he was tired." Correlative conjunctions work in pairs to connect balanced sentence parts. Either or gives choices. Neither nor gives negative choices. Both and connects two ideas. Not only, but also adds emphasis to two connected ideas. Coordinating conjunctions are and, but, or, so from FANBOYS. Subordinating conjunctions are because, if, when, although. Correlative conjunctions work in pairs. Either or, both and, not only but also. Practice using all three types.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.